Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you about this stellar little Nash trailer, Northwood Nash, made out of La Grande, Oregon, local company. Don't travel very far to get here, and they do some really special things with not only the construction, but even the detail all the way throughout. So I'm going to walk you through some of that. First, we're just going to walk down the side and point out some things that really stand out about it. Your pass-through storage underneath, boom, huge all the way across. Your battery cutoff switch right up front, and they give you some gear to make use of the outdoor space as well as the indoor space, and I'll show you where that works on the other side too. Plug and play ready solar. You can really just have a aftermarket kind of plug and play where you have an easel, you park in the shade, have your panel in the sun, sunflower wherever you need. It's going to additionally trickle charge your batteries, the same as the panel that's already up on the roof is doing right now. You have your outdoor shower. It's hot and cold right there. Your Santa flush system, really nice to make sure you're really getting everything out of your black tank. Double axle, really wide track, as well as a high off-roading chassis. This is really going to help you get to where you want to go if you see any washboard roads, any Forest Service roads as well. Really balanced really well. They make all their own chassis, particular to each floor plan too, so they balance really nicely as well. One of the things that really sets Northwood apart too is that it actually gives you a compartment for where you could house your generator if you wanted to have one. If you want, you can actually have this a generator built in right here in this compartment, and have a vent for it while it's running, or just to bring along whatever you have already at hand as well. If you have your roof ladder to walk-on roof, single piece walk-on roof, really burly construction here. Receiver hitch off the rear, huge rear windows there as well. If we walk around to the front, this is that rail I was talking about. That rail is going to house some of that equipment for a bike rack, a utility rack, as well as a rack to house an outdoor barbecue too. We're just going to quick connect your liquid propane off the front. Big grab handle, because you are stepping up pretty high into this rig. And when we come inside, we're going to look and see what we have. You have your east-west bed up front, a ton of cabinets all the way across, fantastic fan right above your heads, really going to give you a really nice cross breeze. Folding clothes as well. The entire galley just stretches the length of the trailer. Stainless steel for your stove top and your oven, as well as your hood, which vents directly to the outside. Double stainless steel sink really saves you a little bit of water if you're going to be boondocking and you wanted to save some. Rinse in one, wash in the other, helps out quite a bit. Really burly construction on the cabinetry and your bathroom right here. They've been starting to do this, which is I think really nice. All solid doors between any kind of interior space as well. These big showers, a lot of room to move in there. You don't have to throw elbows at the walls while you're showering. You don't have to throw elbows at the walls while you're drying off either. Really nice self-squeeging. A screen that comes across as well, and a nice skylight to make sure you have not only enough headroom, but also get some natural light in there while you're showering as well. We go into the back space. They've upgraded the size of the fridge, big fridge there, as well as your pantry space is just enormous. In a small trailer like this, which can really get into wherever you need to go, it's really nice to see where you took the time to get to, and all of these windows is a really nice feature here. And something of this length, when you take the bathroom and you put it on the rear, you really cut off the opportunity for having all these windows. Huge set of windows. And right next to your dinette, which is in the rear, and this can actually fold down into a bed, which makes a really nice bed space as well. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we have on lot, drop me a line at 773-655-7190 or stop on by and say hello.